The Department of Social Welfare and Development, or DSWD, has refuted allegations claiming that government assistance such as the Pantawid Pamilyang Pilipino Program, or 4Ps, and other initiatives is being funneled to politicians instead of reaching the intended beneficiaries. PTV's Noel Talakay has the report.
The Department of Social Welfare and Development, or DSWD, has denied the allegations that the aid provided by the agency to the public, such as 4Ps and other programs, has been diverted to politicians. This was asserted by the DSWD spokesperson in an exclusive interview with PTV News.
Yung pong mga tulong na ipinapaabot natin sa ating mga beneficiaries ay sa mga karapat-dapat at mga eligible beneficiaries po na pupunta. Hindi po yan dumadaan o ibinibigay sa sino man maliban sa mga beneficiaries natin.
According to the Ibon Foundation, the assistance provided by the agency allegedly ends up with politicians instead of reaching to the proper beneficiaries. The foundation claims, this is one of the reasons why hunger levels remain high in the country. The DSWD explained that although the names of the beneficiaries come from the local government units, or LGUs, they still go through a verification process. DSWD social workers are responsible for identifying whether an individual qualifies for government assistance.
Identified beneficiaries natin, sumasailalim din po sila sa assessment or verification ng ating mga social worker. Tinitingnan natin kung ang mga kaukulang dokumento na isinusumite nila ay kumpleto and ini-interview at ina-assess ng ating mga social workers.
Furthermore, Dumlao stated that there is a designated office, the grievance redress mechanism, to promptly address complaints or concerns regarding the aid programs and services implemented by the agency. Several beneficiaries of 4Ps program have already been found in violation according to the DSWD.
Meron na tayong mga beneficiaries na naalis mula sa programa batay doon sa isinagawa natin na validation on the complaints submitted to us na hindi dapat sila karapat-dapat na mapabilang sa programa.
In Davao Region, a barangay official has been charged as confirmed by the agency.
Yung namang pong inireklamo, kung matatandaan nyo, yung pregnant woman doon po sa Davao Region, last year ito, na nagreklamo through social media, na nabawasan nga po yung amount nung assistance na na-receive niya. Kung babalikan natin yung issue na yon, DSWD was DSWD even initiated the filing of appropriate charges against the barangay official na nagbawas nga po nung assistance na tatanggap nung ating pong beneficiary.
Dumlao also emphasized that agency does not disregard the comments or recommendations of various groups in the country such as the Ibon Foundation. The DSWD is studying this to improve and make the implementation of government aid programs more effective. From PTV Manila, Noel Talakay, Balitang Pambansa.